Okay, so this piece is a little more challenging than other pieces I've done so far. So notice I just picked a very short clip to start with, and we'll finish this part in the second lesson. So what I want you to do is I want you to take your right hand, and let's first remember the finger numbers. The thumb is finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we're going to take finger number 4, and we're going to find these 3 black notes, and we're going to be playing a B, which is right to the right of those 3 black notes right here. It's going to be the 4th octave from the top of the keyboard. So it's the 4th B down from the top. We're going to hit B with finger 4, and then A with finger 3, and then this A flat with finger 2. Again, B, A flat. And now we're going to take our thumb and go back to the A, but this time with the thumb. Okay, and from there, B, A flat, thumb on the A. We're going to take finger number 3 and play this C. Okay, so again, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Let's practice that just a little faster. B, A flat, A, C. Now also I want you to make that last note what's called staccato, which means you tap it really fast. One more time. B, A flat, A, C. Again, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Okay, from there, next we're going to be playing a D with finger 4. Now the pattern here is going to be very similar, but different notes. They're going to be a little higher on the keyboard. So from this D, we have D, C, B. Okay, so again, D with finger 4, C with finger 3, B with finger 2. And then again, we're going to put the thumb under and play the C there again. So again, 4, 3, 2, and then the thumb under, 1. And then we're going to play the E with finger 3. D, C, B, C, E. Remember that last note again is going to be staccato. D, C, B, C, E. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Now let's do both of those parts together, starting with the B. B, A flat, A, C. D, C, B, C, E. One more time, and I'll say the finger numbers. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Notice that the finger numbers were the same for both of those patterns. Okay, so after the D, we're going to do something similar, but starting on the F this time. F with finger 4, E with finger 3, E flat with finger 2, and then the thumb or finger 1 on the E again. But let's just stop there, because then we're going to go into something slightly different here. Okay, so again, F, E, E flat, E. Okay, let's do that whole right hand part from the beginning. B, A flat, A, C. D, C, B, C, E. F, E, E flat, E. From the E here, we're going to move our 4th finger up to the B here. And we're going to go B, A flat. Okay, so from here, this B, A flat, and then back, A, B, A flat. Okay, so we do B with finger 4, A with finger 3, A flat with finger 2, and then back to A, to B, back again, A flat, A, C. Now the C actually gets held down. It's not staccato. So again, B, A flat, A, B, A flat, A, C. And then finally, we play the A with finger 2, staccato, and the C with finger 4, staccato. Okay, let's do the whole part. B, A flat, A, C, D, C, B, C, E, F, E flat, E, B, A flat, A, B, A flat, A, C, hold it, A, C. Okay, let's go over the left hand. Now, the left hand starts with an A with the pinky, or finger number 5. That A is the 4th A, or the 4th octave from the bottom of the piano keyboard. Okay, so now after this A, with fingers 3 and 1 here, we're going to be playing a C and an E. So it's A, C, and E. Again, A, C, and E. Now the C and E are going to be played staccato. So it's A, quick, like that. And we're going to do that C and E 3 times. And then back to the A, again. Okay, so we have A, C and E, C and E, C and E, A, C and E, C and E, C and E. And then we go back and forth. A, C and E, A, C and E. Okay, so again we have and now staccato, staccato. And then we finish with the same thing we started with. A, C and E, C and E, C and E. Okay, let's do the left hand one more time. Okay, now let's go ahead and put the left and right hands together. Okay, so it starts with just the right hand. It's going to be our B, A flat, A. And then as soon as we play the C, the left hand is going to play that A. Okay, so again, we have B, A flat, A, C with the A. And then the C and E are going to sound without anything in the right hand. And then when the third part of the left hand comes, that second C and E, we're going to play a D with the right hand. And then the C, and then the B sounds with the next C and E. Okay, so we have and then the C, and the E comes with the next time the A is hit. Okay, again. To the A again. And then the pattern repeats here. Okay, let's do that whole part again, nice and slow. Now, from here again. at this point, the left hand is going to bounce back and forth, if you recall. A, C, E, A, C, E, C. And we hold down that C. And then with the last two plays of the left hand, we hit that A, C. Again, it's A, C. Okay, now let's go ahead and play the whole thing nice and slow. Okay, now you may want to practice this with a metronome to try to get your speed faster and faster little by little. Let's try it one more time, just a little bit faster. And with a little bit of practice, you should be able to play something like this.